Hello and welcome to today's version of Sound Bites with Mobile Legal. I'm attorney Nancy Roden, located in Bradenton, Florida, and today's topic is going to be in regard to evictions. So evictions are covered under Chapter 83 of Florida statutes, specifically tenancies including apartment rentals, etc. It does not include mobile homes. It does not include transient housing such as hotels, renting of a condo, short-term stays. But we've had a lot of questions specific to the order signed by our governor regarding the moratorium placed on single-family mortgage foreclosures and on residential tenancies. Now, overall, that does include mobile homes and all types of tenancies, but specifically, we're going to take it one step further with Chapter 83. So, one step on the order was placed for 45 days. This is going to take you through May 17th. And again, it allows for a hold or a freeze on issuing of any writs of execution, meaning a sheriff is not going to show up at the door and evict you. However, it does not allow you to not pay rent or to pay any of your financial obligations. We know it's tough times. Many of you can't afford to make payments. So you do want to be very careful and just understand that distinction. Reach out to your landlord, try to negotiate, or your mortgage company, try to negotiate some type of solution. At least pay what you can, maybe make a partial payment if you can afford to do so. But talk to them and try to make some type of arrangement, because you don't want to come out of this and find out that now you have fines or fees that are allotted for in your lease. Or it also doesn't include a holdover, a right of a holdover, meaning if your lease ended during this time and you hold over and refuse to leave, your landlord has remedies under Chapter 83. Specifically, they could pursue double rent, so you don't want to find that you owe 2 months' rent for holding over. So reach out, talk to your landlord, try to make some type of arrangements during this time, and make sure you don't find yourself in that situation once this 45-day moratorium is up. Okay, so that's very important. Now, Chapter 83, though, many of us don't think about, it includes specific self-help by the landlord. And so we think of an eviction as the landlord showing up at the door to physically remove you. However, we don't think about these self-help mechanisms. So be careful to review your lease. If your lease includes things such as water, electricity, cable TV, and internet, and your landlord has taken steps to prevent your access to them in lieu of their ability to evict you right now, those are forms of evictions. So you want to note that, document this. It's very important. Also, prevention of access, so changing the locks, removing doors or windows or screens from the home, or if your landlord has the responsibility to fix a refrigerator and they're refusing to do so, preventing your access to food during this important time that we're all staying at home, or any time beyond that. This is not, Chapter 83 is not specific to the COVID-19 period. It's a statute that's in place to help you at all times, so important to understand that. Removal of your personal belongings, the landlord does not have the right to do that. Again, it's under very specific conditions. So if any of these issues are occurring right now, or you're having trouble with this, reach out to an attorney. You may think you can't afford one, but if your landlord is violating these provisions, the statute also allows for payment of the attorney fees by the other side. So reach out, speak with an attorney, let them know what's happening, and get their advice on how you should proceed forward. There's also legal aids that may be available to assist as well, but I would reach out and understand what assistance is available to you. Okay. Now again, any of these forms, it's important to note that you could have consequences at the end. So try to make agreements with your landlord. I know this sounds cliche that we're all in this together, but we really are. You're worried about paying rent. Your landlord equally might be concerned about making their mortgage payment. So this moratorium is for both of you right now. But at the end, you still need to live together or not. So reach out to an attorney for help. If you're in Florida, you can reach out to Mobile Legal at mobilelegal.net. You can click on the link below and subscribe. Also click on the bell so you receive future updates of any future videos that might be of assistance to you. And as always, wishing you and yours financial health.